This is the one. This is the one you've been waiting for. The fight that will decide who'll take home the construction estimating title. It's ProEst versus Excel.
And it looks like ProEst has the early advantage here. Excel just can't seem to connect with other systems like accounting and scheduling. Oh, that lack of integration is a real issue. What Excel needs to do is standardize the estimating process, but it isn't just built for that. There's just too many variables for bids to be consistent. Ooh, and Excel is taking a hit on manual data re-entry errors. That has to hurt. ProEst is really in charge now, transferring estimate data automatically to other back-office business systems. That gives multiple teams access to the same information throughout the project and eliminates repetitive re-entry tasks. That is a huge advantage. And that's the round. Without the ability to expand, Excel just isn't big or powerful enough to keep up with the demand for complicated data-driven estimates or to support the goals of a growing business. And let's face it, if your estimating solution can't keep up with demand, you can be pretty sure that your company's going to take a hit too. There's no question that ProEst is dominating here. With a cloud-based platform, ProEst can accommodate any number of users and unlimited estimating volume without adding more equipment or cost. And we're going to give this one to ProEst. All right, let's see if Excel can come back on accuracy and take control of this fight. No, Excel is already on the ropes, and ProEst is really taking charge. ProEst calculates materials, labor, equipment, taxes, bonds, and other costs automatically. That kind of pinpoint accuracy is going to be tough to beat. Oh, those manual data entry errors are not being kind to Excel. With so many mistakes and such limited visibility into projects, Excel is just no match for ProEst. Excel's going to have to find a way to get into this fight, but this last round might be over before it started. Let's see what Excel has left. This isn't looking good for Excel. Users are pretty much on their own if they have questions or need technical help. And as for automatic updates, well, that's just not going to happen. Wow, ProEst means business. Excel is really in trouble now. ProEst is dominating with a dedicated team of onboarding specialists, trainers, and construction software specialists, all available on demand. And that means questions are answered and technical issues are resolved right away, so productivity and timelines stay on track. Plus, updates come through automatically, so estimators are always working at peak performance. And the decision is, it's ProEst in 4 rounds.